Excuse me, boys and girls, get ready for another episode of Anton versus Duncan.
Well, kids, I don't know about you, but I sure had a good time this week. I mean, I lost some, I won some. I mean, the first day I lost at racing.
And I lost in Battleship the second day.
And then our thumbs wrestled. But I mean, the most important thing is that me and Lois here are good.
Luis!
Luis.
Thank you.
Lois. Alright, me and Lois here, we're the best of friends, and we get to hang out with each other and have a good time. So even if we're competing, we're still best of friends.
That's right.
But remember, the most important thing, though, is that Russell Wilson's the best.
What? No. Casey Kane is the best.
No.
It's all about Team Casey, kids.
Russell Wilson's the best.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Team Casey